Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe. It would be great to have you stick around and join us for our drawings every day. So today I'm going to show you how to draw Tally the vampire cat, who is a really cute Halloween squishmallow. So the first thing I'm going to do, and this is what I do whenever I draw a squishmallow, is I'm just going to do the shape of the body. So the shape of Tally is kind of like a square, but the sides are not pointed. They're very soft. They're rounded, kind of. So let's make that shape. All right, the next thing we can do is the ears. So I'm gonna come on up and then come on down. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the inside. And add a couple little lines here. Now we're gonna do the same thing over here. So come on up and then come to the side and then same on the inside. Then add a few little lines. Now we can do a little bow. So it's not going to be directly in the middle of the body. It's going to be a little bit higher than that. So I'm going to do it right here. I'm going to start with a little circle and then a little line. Come on down and another little line. Same on the other side. Little line, come on down, another little line. Now we can do a line right here from the side of the body to the bow, and same on the other side. Now right here under the bow we can do a little V shape. And now 2 circles. And now an upside down V shape. And now we can bring this line here all the way over here. And same on the other side. You see that we're not going perfectly straight, we're slanting upward. We're not going straight across, just kind of going up a little bit. So now let's work on the face. I'm going to do a little spot right here and right here. Going to be Tally has like some little special markings on the forehead, just like lots of cats have special markings. So I'm going to go down a little bit and a little bit right here, and then come on outward a bit. Same on that side, and then a little rounded top. Now let's work on the actual facial features. So let's do a little oval here, and then a little mouth, which is like the number 3 turned on its side. And then I'm going to bring this line all the way up to the nose, and we can do 2 little sharp teeth from the mouth. Now over here we're going to do a happy little closed eye. Kind of like a wide U upside down, and same over here. Now let's do some little whiskers. Do one here and one right here, and these are pretty thick right now, and try to match them up on the other side. Now we can do a little bit of a cape. So we're going to do like a little triangle here. Same on the other side. It's kind of like the collar of the cape. And now another triangle. And on the other side. And there you go. We've got our drawing finished, and now I'm going to do the coloring. All right, everyone, we're done our drawing. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, goodbye.